Welcome, everyone, to my channel. Today, we're diving into a question I get asked a lot. What's the best time to trade crypto on Newton Finance? If you're looking for that magic hour, stick around, because I'm going to share my personal experience and what I've found to be most effective. Let's get straight to it. From my trading on Newton, I've noticed a few patterns that might surprise you. First off, forget about a single best time that applies to everyone or every coin. Crypto markets are global and run 24/7, which means liquidity and volatility can shift constantly. However, I've personally had good results focusing on certain windows. I've found that late North American trading hours and early Asian trading hours often present interesting opportunities. This usually means I'm looking at my charts anywhere from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. During these hours, you tend to see a handover in trading volume, and sometimes, this can lead to increased volatility and price movements as different major markets become more active. For instance, I've observed that during the overlap when European markets are winding down and North American markets are in full swing, there can be a surge in activity. Then, as North America starts to quiet down, the early Asian trading hours can pick up the slack. Another factor I always consider is news events and announcements. These are time agnostic. If a major development related to a coin you're holding or watching is announced, that's often a prime time to be attentive, regardless of the clock. I always keep an eye on crypto news aggregators and social media for these. It's also crucial to remember that each cryptocurrency can behave differently. Bitcoin and Ethereum, for example, tend to have more consistent liquidity throughout the day. Altcoins, especially smaller ones, might see their most significant movements when their specific communities are most active or when a major exchange lists them. My strategy isn't about pinpointing one exact hour. Instead, it's about being prepared and flexible. I set alerts for price movements, use technical analysis to identify potential entry and exit points, and stay informed. I also personally avoid making trades when I feel fatigued or rushed, as that's when mistakes tend to happen. So, while there's no single best time, my advice based on my experience on Newton Finance is to monitor the late North American to early Asian trading hours, roughly 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stay on top of crypto news and announcements. Understand the individual characteristics of the cryptocurrencies you're trading. Trade when you are focused and not rushed. Remember, this is all based on my personal experience, and crypto trading always involves risk. Do your own research and develop a strategy that works for you. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this insight into my trading on Newton Finance was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and experiences. See you in my next video.